Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is green color. And the next one is yellow color. Now we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is white color. The last one is black color. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is black color. Kids, now we're mixing and coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring the shape of star. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Now we are using blue color. Subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. Now we are using blue color. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Now we are using green color. Now we're mixing the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using green color. Green color. Now we're coloring the shape of pentagon. And the next one is square. Now we're coloring the shape of square and using yellow color. Kids, now we're using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing yellow color. The color of yellow. Now we're coloring the shape of square. The shape of square. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing red color. The color of red. Now we're mixing the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw and coloring the shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Kids, now we're using the color of white. Now we're mixing white color. The color of white. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing white color. The shape of circle. Now we're coloring circle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is trapezoid. Now we're using the color of black. Now we're using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing black color. Now mixing the color of black. Kids, now we're using black color and coloring the shape of trapezoid. Today we're coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.